Are you considering taking a home loan from Axis Bank and wondering about their interest rates? If so, you're in the right place. Understanding the interest rates of a home loan is crucial. It can greatly influence your monthly repayments, the total cost of the loan, and even your decision on whether to take the loan or not. Axis Bank, a leading financial institution in India, offers competitive interest rates for home loans. They cater to a wide range of needs, providing options for both salaried and self-employed individuals. Whether you opt for a fixed or floating interest rate can be influenced by several factors, including your financial goals and risk tolerance. But how do these rates compare, and what do they mean for your bottom line? In this video, we will discuss Axis Bank's home loan interest rates for both salaried and self-employed individuals. Before we delve into the specifics, it's crucial to understand what interest rates are and how they impact your home loan. So, let's put on our learning hats, shall we? Interest rates, in the simplest terms, are the cost of borrowing money. They're the price you pay to the lender for the privilege of using their money, and they're expressed as a percentage of the loan amount, or the principal. When you take out a loan, you agree to pay back the principal along with an additional amount calculated as a percentage of this principal. That additional amount is the interest. Now, how is this interest calculated? Well, it depends on the type of interest rate you choose. Generally, there are two types, fixed and floating, also known as variable rates. Fixed interest rates, as the name suggests, remain constant throughout the loan tenure. This means your monthly installments, or EMIs, stay the same, making it easier to plan your finances. However, the downside is that you might miss out on lower rates in the market if interest rates drop after you've locked in your rate. On the other hand, floating interest rates change with market conditions. They're linked to a benchmark rate, and they fluctuate as this benchmark goes up or down. This means your EMIs could vary over time. While this might sound risky, the silver lining is that you could benefit from lower payments if interest rates decrease. The impact of these rates on your home loan is significant. A higher interest rate means a higher cost of borrowing, which translates to higher EMIs. On the flip side, a lower interest rate means the loan is less costly and your EMIs are lower. Remember, the choice between fixed and floating rates depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you prefer stability and predictability, a fixed rate might be your best bet. But if you're willing to take a bit of a gamble to potentially save on interest, a floating rate could be the way to go. Now that we understand what interest rates are, let's explore what Axis Bank offers. If you're a salaried individual, Axis Bank has some competitive rates for you. Now let's delve into the specifics of these rates. The starting interest rate for salaried individuals at Axis Bank is 8.75% per annum. This is a highly competitive rate, but it's crucial to remember that this is just the starting point. The final rate you receive can vary based on a couple of key factors. One of these is your credit assessment. This is essentially a measure of your creditworthiness or how likely you are to repay the loan. The bank assesses this using a variety of information, including your credit score, your income, and your existing debt. If you have a high credit score and a stable income, you're more likely to receive a lower interest rate. The other factor that can affect your final rate is the specific home loan product you choose. Axis Bank offers a range of home loan products, each with their own set of terms and conditions. Some may have lower interest rates but require a larger down payment, while others may offer a higher rate but come with additional features like flexible repayment options. It's crucial to carefully review the details of each product and consider how they fit with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In addition to this, Axis Bank may charge a processing fee for home loan applications, which can be up to 1% of the loan amount. It's always a good idea to factor this into your calculations when determining the overall cost of your loan. So that's what Axis Bank offers for salaried individuals. But what if you're self-employed? For the self-employed among us, Axis Bank has tailored rates to cater to your unique needs. Leveraging their understanding of the financial challenges and opportunities you face as a self-employed individual, Axis Bank provides a competitive starting interest rate of 9.1% per annum. This is a thoughtful move considering the varying income streams and financial dynamics of self-employment. Just like the salaried individuals, the final rate that you get as a self-employed person can vary. This variation is a result of your credit assessment and the specific home loan product that you choose. The bank takes into account your credit worthiness, which involves your credit score, your repayment history, and overall financial health. Picking the right home loan product also plays a significant role. Each product is designed for different customer needs and comes with its own set of terms and conditions, including different interest rates. It's also worth noting that the interest rate is not fixed but floating. This means it changes in response to various economic factors. As such, you have the flexibility to choose an interest rate type based on your financial plans and risk tolerance. In a nutshell, while the starting rate for self-employed individuals is 9.1% per annum, your unique financial circumstances and the home loan product you select will ultimately determine your final rate. Remember, Axis Bank is committed to providing you with a home loan that fits your financial situation, and this includes offering competitive interest rates for self-employed individuals. So, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or a professional contractor, Axis Bank has a home loan solution tailored for you. Whether you're salaried or self-employed, Axis Bank offers competitive rates tailored to your needs. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's summarize the key points. We started off with a basic understanding of interest rates. These are essentially the cost of borrowing money and can be fixed or floating. A fixed rate stays the same throughout the loan tenure, while a floating rate changes in response to economic factors. Next, we delved into Axis Bank's home loan interest rates for different types of customers. For salaried individuals, the rates start from 8.75% per annum. This competitive rate makes Axis Bank a viable option for those in regular employment looking to secure a home loan. We also looked at the rates for self-employed individuals, which start from 9.1% per annum. This reflects the slightly higher risk associated with lending to those with fluctuating incomes. However, it's still a competitive rate and certainly worth considering if you're self-employed and thinking about buying a home. But it's not just about the headline rates. There are also other factors that could affect the final rate you're offered. Your creditworthiness, for example, is a key consideration. If you have a strong credit history, you're likely to be offered a more favorable rate. The specific home loan product you choose can also influence the rate. Some products, for instance, may come with lower rates but have other costs attached, such as processing fees, which can be up to 1% of the loan amount. It's important to take all these factors into account when comparing home loans. The headline rate is just one part of the equation. You also need to consider your personal circumstances and the specific features of the loan product. Remember, the final interest rate may vary depending on your credit assessment and the specific home loan product you choose. For a more detailed and personalized rate, you can visit the official Axis Bank website or contact their customer service. Thank you for watching.